Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, usually on Tuesdays, I do a Tuesday tips video, and there's gonna be some tips in here, but I wanted to give a shout out to some teammates. Some team members of mine on Quicksilver. These are direct referrals who have joined me in Quicksilver, who have taken action and who have ranked up. All right. And some of these people have only been with me for a week or so, but they're taking action. They're showing up every day and they're getting results. Okay. So I wrote down who I want to mention. Tony Babb, congratulations. He's ranked up to level 1. Donald Lowry, congratulations, he's ranked up to level 3. We have Anna Bowen, who has ranked up to level 5. Congratulations. And David Stout, my longtime business partner. We've been in many businesses together. A good friend of mine. He has ranked up to level 8. So I'm super proud of each and every one of you. Keep up the great work. Keep staying consistent and showing up every day and taking action. And you know, you're just proof of what happens when you show up every day and you don't give up on yourself. All right. And I have to say this too. There's several other people on my team who are taking action, and I have no doubt that within a short period of time, they're going to be on my next video where I mention people who have ranked up. All right. So keep up the good work, everybody. You can do this, you know, like I always say, it's not rocket science. You just have to be willing to show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. And that's what these 4 team members of mine are doing. And I just wanted to give a shout out, you know, because they deserve a shout out. And I just wanted to, you know, show proof. Well, I'm not really showing proof, but you can go and check that, you know, checking them out. They're all on Facebook and some of them are on YouTube. And you'll see that they've ranked up, okay? So that's the main purpose of this video. Giving a shout out for my team. Team wins, you know, consistency pays off. And if you're having any doubts about anything, just keep going. Keep doing what it is that you're doing. All right? Whatever ways of marketing that you're marketing your opportunities or programs with, just stay consistent. Show up every day. Commit to taking massive action. And you too, over time, will get results. All right? I can't guarantee you'll make any money or when you're going to make any money because it's all dependent on your work ethic. But these folks are showing up every day, and I take notice. I know everybody who's on my team, and I know everybody who's taking action and all those people who aren't taking action. And the majority of people aren't taking action. But there's always a few that do, and they deserve to be mentioned. You know, because teamwork makes the dream work. And, you know, if you're hopping around from program to program with shiny object syndrome, get rid of it. All right? Find an opportunity or a product or service that resonates with you, that you can stand behind 1,000%, and just start sharing that opportunity. That's what you have to do. You know? And you can't have these high expectations of, you know, joining a program and making $10,000 right away, because that's not going to happen. You know, unless you're a big time marketer with a huge following, the chances of somebody joining a program and making $10,000 their first month is about close to 0. All right. In fact, I would say you have a better chance of hitting the lottery than you do making 10 grand your first month. Is it possible? Yeah, it's possible, but very, very unlikely. All right. So you have to get rid of that mindset that I'm going to join this program and everybody else, you know, other people are having success and making money in it, and I'm going to right out of the gate. That's not going to happen. All right. That's not going to happen. But over time, you'll get results if you just show up every day like Tony, Donald, Anna, and David are doing. You know, that's what you have to do. Just stay consistent. You know, showing up daily pays off. That's why I do these videos. That's why I show up every day. You know, because it pays off. I mean, Anyway, that's my video for today. So that's the tip for today. Stay consistent. All right, that's the secret sauce that everybody always wants to know, and then they're always disappointed, like there should be more to it than, you know, just showing up every day. But that is truly what it takes to be successful, and that is truly what separates the 2% the 2% of people who make money in network marketing versus the 98% of people who don't. Right? The 2% of people show up every day, they treat their business like a real business, and they take action. And the other 98% who make nothing, they don't do anything. They don't do anything. They might do something for a week or two or three or maybe a month, but then they get, you know, they're not seeing the results they think that they deserve when they don't deserve any result. People don't deserve results if you're not taking action. I don't care how, that's just the truth, right? And I'm not a BSer, so that's just the straight up truth. If you're not taking results, you don't deserve any you don't deserve to get, you know, if you're not taking action, you don't deserve to get any results. It's as simple as that. You know? And 98% of you never do anything. You just jump from program to program to program. I did that for 10 years, so I know what I'm talking about. The first 10 out of my 19 years of doing this, I jumped from program to program to program to program. Made a little money here, made a little money there, made enough money just to stay in the game. Just to keep me invested in the game, you know? And then I didn't start having success until I actually started focusing on one opportunity. Right? So, anybody can do this. You know? Anybody can do this. You just have to want it bad enough, and you just have to show up every day. And that's really what the secret sauce is. Consistency. All right? So, I hope you found value in this video. Again, congratulations to Tony, Donald, Anna, and Dave. I appreciate each and every one of you. Keep up the good work. Keep showing up every day. You'll build a huge organization over time, and you'll get the results that you're seeking, okay? So, for the rest of you, I hope that you find value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.